In today's video, I'm going to be styling my entryway table and my credenza. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I put these two areas together. And I'll meet you later on at the reveal. Here I am in front of the Welcome to the Villages sign, Florida's friendliest hometown. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel. I hope you enjoy the video and you return as a family member. After giving the credenza a quick cleaning, I'm coming in with these beautiful hurricane vases that I thrifted for $12.99 each. I saw something very similar in Kirkland's recently. And if you haven't seen that Shop With Me and haul video, I'll make sure to link it in my description box below. In my hurricane vases, I came in with some moss-covered balls and these beautiful dogwood stems that I picked up at Joann's for $2 each, honey. There was a fantastic floral sale, 5 for $10, and making each stem $2 each. I believe these stems were originally priced at $7.99 each, so baby, did I get a deal. And I styled each one of my hurricane vases with 2 dogwood stems each. They are nice and full, and I think they look absolutely beautiful. In the center, I'm coming in with my Z Gallery storage boxes, and on top of that, a beautiful little blinged out candle holder with a white candle inside.
I'm so glad that you're mine. You're all that I want, all that I need, all that I hope for, all that I see, all that I want, all that I need, all that I hope for, all that I see, all that I want. All that I need, all that I hope for, all that I see, all that I want, all that I need, you're all that I hope for, all that I see. Such great luck to find this love. Our love, genuine. All my life I knew I find my match in you. So let's light up.
Happy Tablescape Tuesdays, all. The weekly open collab hosted by the Ladies of Elegance. That is myself and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Links to both our channels as well as the playlist will be found in my description box below. Now let's move on to the entryway table. I have these gorgeous, and I showed them to you in my haul video, and if you haven't seen that, I would love for you to go back and check that out. And these orchids I got for $2. And you can see the original price right here, $19.99. $19.99. where you want it to stay, use a plastic bag to stuff it, and then that will help the floors to stand up in position. On the other side, I'm going to come in with some coffee table books right here on this end. On top of the coffee table books, I have a couple of little Dollar Tree candle holders. And then I'm going to come in with some taper candies also. I'm going to come in with this piece, and I've had this piece for quite some time. And it's just a little chain link decor. And that's it. That is all I am doing to this entryway table for now. So let me bring you in for that closer look. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that it gives you inspiration to do something new or different on your entryway table or credenza. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And if you're not a member of the Amethyst Adventures family, now is the perfect time. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.